Hey guys! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some delicious cornbread Roma's kitchen style right after this intro.
Girl, you better can cook. Ticket that you pay, you pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
These are all the ingredients needed, and I'll tell you what each ingredient is as I go along. So to start, I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of cornmeal, and this is refined cornmeal. To this I'll be adding in 400 milliliters or 1 can of coconut milk, and this coconut milk is very thick. I'm going to be mixing everything together here just until the cornmeal and the coconut milk are nice and combined. So because this is too thick, I'm going to be adding in a half cup of water, and I just added the water to the container in which the coconut milk was, and I'm going to mix everything together once more. You want to ensure that you mix good enough so that there aren't any lumps in. Alright, this consistency so far is perfect. I'm going to rest this to the side for about 10 minutes, to kind of get the cornmeal nice and soaked. And I'm going to work on the other ingredients. So here I have 2 eggs, and I'm going to remove what I call the eyes of the eggs. And then that's good. So next I'm going to be adding to this a half cup of brown sugar. You can use granulated sugar if you want to. Then to this I'm going to be adding in 50 grams of melted butter. Next I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of honey. And this wasn't sweet at all, so you can add some more brown sugar, up to 3/4 cups of brown sugar if you like. Mixing everything together here. Just want to mix this well to get everything here nice and combined. Alright, so this is good enough. So I'm going to be adding this now to the cornmeal mixture that was sitting for about 10 minutes. I'm going to try to get everything in there. Okay, good, that's good enough. So now I'm going to mix all this together, and I'm going to mix this very well. This consistency, guys, perfect. You want this runny, as if you were making some cornmeal pudding. So next I'm going to be adding in the binding ingredient. I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour here. Next I'm going in with just 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to go in with a half teaspoon of baking soda. Next, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm running this all through a strainer because I want this nice and airy. That's good. Just give your strainer a nice little shake for everything to go through. And that's perfect. So now I'm just going to be mixing everything together. I'm just going to be cutting and folding. And I'm going to be doing this until all the ingredients are nice and combined. So I'm cutting, folding, and mixing. I'm going to be using the whisk here to just manage everything better and to get rid of any little lumps that might be in it. I love this consistency. This is how you want to see your mixture. This mixture was perfect. The cornbread wasn't dry at all. It was nice and moist. So having your mixture this way is perfect. Now I need to flavor this a little bit more. So I'm going to be adding to this next just 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then I'll be adding in a half tablespoon of rose water. Mixing everything together again to get those lovely flavors all in. Now this is perfect and the batter is ready. So now in a greased loaf tin, I'm going to go in with as much as can hold without filling this up too much because this is going to rise. And once this is all settled in your tin, you can go ahead and place your tin in your oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes or until you place a toothpick in the center of it and it comes out super clean. And voila, 40 minutes later, this is my cornbread. Toothpick in, it comes out nice and clean. So the cornbread is ready. Now you want to add some unsalted butter or some oil to this just to get it nice, and once this cools down it will get nice and flaky or nice and crispy. So I'm just brushing mine here with some unsalted butter. This is good, so I'm just going to allow this to cool down a little. Then I'm going to remove it from the tin and show you guys what it looks like. Beautiful, soft and perfect on the inside, moist and delicious cornbread Roma's kitchen style. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about the video. If you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel and turn your post notifications on. Until next video.